The last thing I want to install before we swap the engine to the car is the wiring harness. This is the fancy mil-spec one that I got from Ryan at Rywire. I hate wiring and I don't know much about wiring, but I'm just going to share with you what I know about this wiring harness because I talked to Ryan a lot about this harness. Okay, so this is the mil-spec wiring harness for the B series. This guy right here is this giant piece that goes to the firewall. The cool thing about this is you can wire up the engine, and then when you swap it in, you just plug this to the firewall and it just clicks, and that's it. And when you want to remove the engine, you can undo it from here as well. So let me just show you that real quick because I actually have the other piece right here. So this is the piece that goes to the, I think the AC area in the firewall. You can do the one in the heater as well, but I just chose this one because it was easier for me. So what you do is you take this guy and match up the little notches. All right. Okay, let's see if I can get this right. All right, there you go. And then you just lock it into place. If you guys like the idea of having that one quick disconnect in the center, which makes it look super clean, the mil-spec version is probably for you. If you don't care about that and you just want to get a harness that lets you run the car, then yeah, just get the OEM one. It's a lot cheaper and it's readily available. Some of these things have to be made, so just be mindful of your timing because you might have to wait a few days to get these things made.